That's to 8, but we don't see any two-sided activity hitting the offer. Here in the 1450 column, pullback column has an 802 positive bias, 3 points to the reversal. I'd like to see a retest at the 08s, and that might be a real good area for a long position, since it looks like today's a nice balanced market. 1450 column is just not showing any ask side activity. We're still looking for cross activity where they either test the 8s and hit the asks, hit the offers. Alright, here we have a retest. Let's see what we do. We had a 49 negative delta on the 1450 bar. .06 and a quarter. 0650 was the low, I think. You have to be cognizant of that 3-point differential. The question we have to ask is the last seller sold here at the low 108s. We have a 300 positive in the pullback, and it's attempting to go down, but we only have a negative 400 delta. We don't have any large cross blocks of trade from the bid to the ask. It came down on very light volume to 08. 09 was the previous spot before the offers were hit. You have to take the 9 1/4s here. Take the 9, take the 9 1/4. We have a positive pullback on the down bar. Well, we still have a negative 369 on the down bar, but the 875 is 9 even. Look attractive. If we can't break the low of the H, I, J, or K period between the 650 and 9 area, then I would say the shorts are going to cover. Okay, if we were long at 9 or 875, I would look at the 7s. The 7s for support and give back the 875s. We see on the 454 column, 1454, we made a new low with negative 756 delta. There is a 1507. We need to take the 8s, take the 875s. So if we were long 4 from 875, we would have gave 2 of those back. Now we have 2 at 875. Looking to exit 1 at 10, and then looking to exit the other 2.5 points above 10, 1250. If you're long at 875, you could take 750s, take the 750s and give back the 875s. If we took the 750s, we just don't have any volume. If we took the 750s, we would. All right, now we're here at the 6. Here we're at the low of the day, so the stop running could be between 5, 4.5, and 6.5. 4.5 and 6.5 could be where the stops are. Alright, we see some cross trade here. Alright, take the 7 1/4s, give back the 875s. The 7 1/4s, we would offset 1 contract at 850, give back the other 2 at 875, and ride 1 to the other end of the balanced market. Much more than just a 5-point trade. Here we have them stop running. We're approximately 2 points below the intraday low here. 675 is the low. We're at 5 1/4. So we're right in this area to stop running. Now we need to look for positive delta On our delta divergence, we have a negative delta. We're long two from 7s, and we're long two more from the 8s. So we're looking to give back the 8s and keep the 7s. We'll get back two of the 8s that break even and liquidate one of the 7s at 8 1/4. Hold on to the other 7. Alright, we're about to give back the 8s. We're holding the 7s. So we're a little premature there. We should have recognized the fact that they were going to take the stops out on an intraday basis, and sure enough, they took the market. Oh, how many points was it? They took the market 675, 5 1/4. It took the market 1.5 points below the intraday low. So this area here is a flag. The 2292 to 1183. That area there, and we see them hitting the offer, driving the market higher. So we have our initial profit target of one contract offset here at 75. We have our other two contracts that we purchased offset here at the 50.75 area. And now we're looking to offset the other contract at 14.10. Alright, to retrace back to our original entry, so we are out with just the 1 point